Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Welcome back, kids, with part 2 of our chapter 4, The Petting Zoo. Now, here I have a beautiful picture of a boy playing with some animals here. Which animals do you think these are? Yes, these are goats. And the boy seems to be feeding them. So, this is one concept, one type of a petting zoo. Do you like petting animals? And how do you think animals feel when we pet them, when we feed them, when we provide water, food, and different facilities to these animals? But do you think animals like being in a zoo? What do you think these animals are feeling when they are inside the cage? Why do you think like that? Please think and answer me. Now, animals have the same features as human beings, like they have eyes, ears, nose, and different body parts, limbs. But their features look very different from ours. Many animals have big and floppy ears, whereas we have small ears. Birds have beaks instead of a mouth. The noses of different animals are different. The elephant's nose is its trunk. Animals have tails, but we don't have one. Do you have a tail, mind you? Nah, you don't have a tail. Birds have wings to fly, but no other animal has wings. The animal world is really interesting, isn't it? Yes, definitely, it's very interesting. Here I have some pictures of different parts, different features of animals. Let's have a look at them. What do you call this? Yes, it's beak of a bird. Then we have tail. Different animals have tails, and this animal is called as Cameroon. What is it? Cameroon. Then we have, which animal is it? It looks like a cat to me, and it has whiskers. These parts are its whiskers. Then these are paws. These are called as paws of different animals. And these are horns. Now, different animals have different designs of horns, like goats also have horns, sheep, cows, buffaloes. But which animal do you think has different long and big horns on their head? Find it out. Now, it is an eagle, and these are its wings, big wings. So, you have to fill in the blanks in the next session. I observe section of the course book. You have to fill in the blank with the features that each animal has. Now we will do first one here, and the remaining three you will do on your own. Okay, let's solve for cow. Do you think the cow has tails? Yes, it has one tail. Absolutely. Next, does it have whiskers? Cows, do they have whiskers? No. Does it have wings? No. Does it have a beak? No. Does it have paws? Yes, they have the paws. And does it have horns? Yes, they have horns. So, tail, paws, horn. These three features are there in cows. I want you to find out about dogs, cats, and birds. Okay? Now, here different animals are shown on the part A. of iExtend section, animals live in different places. Can you match the animals with their natural homes? For example, where do you think a bat lives? Where a rabbit lives? Where does an eagle live? Where does a spider live? And where does a bee live? Yes, so first one, bats live in caves. So you will match bats with caves. Okay, and remaining four I want you to try and do yourself. Fine? Will you do it? I bet you will, inshallah. Then you need to guess animals by these riddles. I'm going to explain the riddles to you, but you will solve the riddles yourselves. Okay? I move and I hiss. I poison with my kiss. So this animal, if it kisses you, you will get poison. Okay? I'm black. I'm white. I'm a horse with less height. Who do you think this animal is? It is black and it is white. I climb trees, but I'm not a cat. I eat nuts and I'm not a rat. What do you think this could be? Could this be a monkey? I don't think so. You have to focus on climbing and you have to focus on eating nuts. Okay? Highest in the food chain. I'm the king with a mane. So, in the food chain of animals, which animal stays on top of the food chain, food cycle? Like some animals, there are plants in the food chain, there are different animals. And for example, goats eat grass. Some other animals eat goats. And then the other animal eats goats and other animals as well. So which animal do you think is top of the food chain? If you do these things, then our chapter is over. Alhamdulillah. So congratulations guys, the petting zoo chapter 4 is over. I will get back to you with more exercises from chapter 4 of the application book. Till then, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.